Hello and welcome to iPad Quick Tips. In this video we are taking a look at working with the Docs2Go app on your iPad. You can think of Docs2Go as a mini version of Microsoft Office for your iPad. Docs2Go allows you to view and edit Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint documents. You can even create new Word and Excel documents on your iPad. It's not going to replace Office, but for simple documents or making changes on the go, it can't be beat. You may have seen the Docs2Go icon while working with attachments in email. In this video, we'll be creating and managing documents in the app itself. If you want to learn more about working with email attachments, please take a look at the iPad Quick Tips video number 7 on email. If you do not have the app on your iPad, take a look at the app catalog under the Purchase tab. Docs2Go should be there. If you do not see it, contact IT support for guidance. This is the main menu of Docs2Go. The menu options on the right allow you to locate existing documents you have in storage. Across the top are filter tabs that will restrict the list to just those document types: All, Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Notice the app also allows you to view PDF documents. Here you can only view. Sorry, no editing. A to Z allows you to sort the list in several different ways. This little checkmark icon allows you to manage the list. Tapping on it will present selectors beside each document on the list. At the bottom, we see the options of things to do with the selections. We can delete one or more at a time, or select documents to attach into an email. Tap Done when finished. The plus icon allows you to create a new Word or Excel document. While Docs2Go does support basic editing functionality of PowerPoints, it does not allow you to create one from scratch. The iPad selection will show you what is stored on your iPad. Recent will display the last accessed documents. Cloud gives you options of storing your documents elsewhere. If you have one configured, here is where you will find your Google Drive. Desktop means your laptop, PC, or Mac desktop. You can sync it with your iPad. Search will search aspects of the file in all available locations. Just enter your criteria and tap Search. Store is for passwords and really isn't necessary for your business use of iPads. Settings is probably going to be your new best friend. Here you can access online help. Docs2Go has done an outstanding job in the help file. It is well organized and the topics are concise and easy to follow. If you're not sure about something, check here first. You are very likely to find an answer. You are new to the iPad or Docs2Go, you may even find it helpful to browse through the topics to familiarize yourself with some of its features and capabilities. Before leaving settings, we want to take note of the new file format selection. Docs2Go can accommodate Office documents from Office 97 through 2011. If you are creating new documents on your iPad, you can select which version of Office to create in. Typically, you will leave this at 2007 to 2011, but there may be cases where 97 to XP is required. Now let's take a look at a document. We'll start with Excel. Tap on the document to open it. If you've used Excel before, this should look very familiar. Rows, columns, tabs, all of the different formatting and formulas that you love in Excel. Tap anywhere in the document to display the menu bar. Here we have our Send To or Share button, the email button if we want to forward the document on, and this pencil button. The pencil button activates edit mode to allow you to make changes to the document. You'll notice we have some common formatting options across the bottom of the screen. Tapping on the fountain pen icon will display even more options: text formatting, sorting, alignments, and font selection and formatting. The column of dots icon provides a few more options, such as including the all-important Save buttons. By default, Docs2Go will save the file in the same location you opened it from. Choosing Save As will allow you to specify a new location for your document. You can tap on a cell to select it, or tap and hold momentarily, then drag to select multiple cells in any direction. The editing menu will pop up when you release your press. Tapping on the column and row headers selects the entire range and gives you a few more options on the shortcut menu. The formula bar is pretty much the same as Excel. You can enter your formula as text or drag within the spreadsheet to select a range. Be sure to tap on the green check mark here at the end of the formula bar to save your formula. That's an important step. If you don't tap on the check mark, your formula isn't saved. Down here at the bottom, you'll notice the undo and redo icons. They can come in handy sometimes too. Okay, let's take a look at Word documents now. The features and functionality are similar in Docs to Go for all Office apps. Upon opening, we can review the document. Tap anywhere in the document to display the menu bar. We can share the document with others, attach it to a new email, or make changes using the pencil icon. Choosing to make changes will display the formatting bar across the bottom of the screen. As we saw in Excel, the fountain pen icon gives us more options: formatting, fonts, alignment, lists, and paragraph settings. The column of dots icon has similar features as well. This keyboard icon pops up the on-screen keyboard so you can start typing. Just use your finger as a mouse to place your cursor, select text, copy, and paste within the document. Next, we'll take a look at PowerPoint documents. PowerPoint documents can be viewed or presented using Docs to Go. Editing a PowerPoint is limited to text only, so you really can't do a lot of changes to your presentation, but if you find a typo at the last minute, Docs to Go can be a real lifesaver. The features here should start to look familiar. You can share or send, email, and of course do limited editing by tapping on the pencil. Here you have the formatting bar to modify text you have selected with your finger mouse. All of the same text editing features are available. The column of dots icon gives you access to slide notes and the slide sorter. Simply press and hold on a slide to move it up or down to change the sequence. The arrow here hides or displays the slides. Hide the slide selector to begin your presentation. During your presentation, simply swipe the screen to move from slide to slide. And finally, we come to PDF documents. Here you have the same share and email options, but there is no editing. Tap on the Folders icon to save the PDF, specifying a file name and save location. Tapping on the document will display the page number and orientation icons. Page number allows you to skip to a specific page, and orientation spins the document around. General navigation from page to page is accomplished simply by swiping. So there you have it. We took a look at how to work with Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and PDF documents on your iPad. Please feel free to rewatch this video or access the Docs to Go online help if you have additional questions. See you next time!